baked potato dish.
The people like it too, the baked potato. I know this is.
You see? You wash off the salt and you put it like this in. The most important, you see how clean this is? You see how clean? Food has to be clean. Otherwise, it's not good. You see, you put that onion in, and then you put garlic, piece of garlic, like this here. You cut the garlic and you put it in all over. What you're doing here, you put pepper in. Like this. You see? Wait. When you spread it with olive oil on the top.
No sauce? Nothing?
Nothing. Like this. You put an oven. You don't put water in, nothing.
And how long?
1.5 hours. Now it's 4:15. Yes. 5:15.
5:45.
No, then it's too long. 5:45 is an hour. Und
5:45.
no.
Yeah.
5:30. 5:30 is 1.5 hours.
Salad, baked potato.
So,
Where's the chicken?
yeah.
I would
So-
say someone.
You want sweet?
No.
But then you just eat food.
Because you have a